Purchasing the best computer you can afford is perhaps one of the most important investments in your life, especially if your computer is vital to your day-to-day productivity, personal life, or family. But with so many different options out there, it is not always easy to figure out which is best. In this video, we're breaking down the best 5 desktop computers on the market this year based on price, performance, features, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at computers in every price range, so whether you're looking for an everyday use budget computer or a high-performance workhorse, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which desktop computer will be best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the very end so you don't miss anything. The first product we'll be looking at today is the HP Envy All-in-One, our choice for best all-in-one desktop PC. If you're looking for a top-notch all-in-one desktop computer, then at $1,700, the 27-inch HP Envy is one of the best you're going to find. This all-in-one HP is a well-balanced all-in-one desktop and comes with an Intel Core i7 processor and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU that can handle 1080p gaming with most AAA games, 4K video editing, and 4K movie streaming to name a few. Its 4K 27-inch touchscreen display is a standout feature and makes the Envy extremely versatile. For example, when watching Netflix, you can simply touch the monitor to quickly browse for a movie. Plus, the 27-inch screen will make your Netflix viewing absolutely cinematic with dazzling bright colors in gorgeous 4K resolution. HP has really packed the Envy with power and productivity in mind. You can easily upgrade from the provided 16GB of RAM to 32GB, but 16GB is plenty to handle most, if not all, of your daily multitasking. Another great feature is the webcam door. When you want to use the webcam, just push the tab at the top of the monitor that slides the webcam out. When you're finished, push it back in hiding for security. As for speakers, you'll be impressed with the included 4 Bang & Olufsen speakers. They sound very good and produce a very rich audio experience. The HP Envy serves great as a central work or play station, and with its beautiful classic and simple design, it will look good in your living room, bedroom, or office. So if you're looking for an outstanding all-in-one desktop to do all your tasks but don't feel like having a lot of peripherals or accessories laying around, the HP Envy is the perfect solution. Although it is by no means a cheap computer, at the end of the day, the HP Envy 27-inch is an outstanding, well-balanced, all-in-one desktop with a beautiful design and gorgeous 4K display that more than justifies its price point. If you are a creative professional, stay tuned for the 27-inch iMac, and if you're looking for more raw power or a gaming desktop, then check out the HP Omen Obelisk coming up later in the video. Next, we'll be looking at the Dell XPS Tower as the best all-rounder desktop PC. If you're shopping for an affordable desktop tower that has pretty decent hardware, the Dell XPS Tower, priced under $850, presents a fantastic all-rounder value. Do not think of the Dell XPS as a cheap tower. XPS actually stands for Extreme Performance Station, and on board you'll find a 6-core i5 chip with 8GB of RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030 graphics card, making this affordable tower no slouch when it comes to handling your needs from gaming, video editing, and movie streaming. If you need to accomplish some heavy-duty tasks like 4K video editing, 3D modeling, or software design, the Dell XPS is really going to make your life easier. In design, the Dell XPS isn't flashy by any means, but it's more understated and elegant with its minimalistic black aesthetic. It'll match in any room you put it in, and the internal fans are so quiet that you'll hardly even notice them so you can work or play in peace. Another convenient feature is that the Dell XPS lets you upgrade it with ease. You won't need to use a screwdriver to open the chassis. Instead, the tower opens up like a toy chest with a simple push of a button, making it easy for you to remove and upgrade parts. It's a pretty thoughtful design that comes in super handy when you want to upgrade, and you won't have to struggle with the hard-to-reach areas. At an affordable price point, you get a powerful Intel processor, 8GB of RAM, a mid-level GPU, and an ample 1TB of hard drive space. The Dell XPS Tower is one of the best looking and most upgradable all-rounder desktop PCs around. If you are looking for value, then this baby is an excellent choice. The third product we're looking at today is the Acer Aspire TC885, our choice for best budget desktop computer. If you're looking for a budget desktop to do basic computing, movie streaming, and surfing, The Acer Aspire TC885 is a superb choice for you. At just under $550, this budget machine is worth looking into. The Acer Aspire is a dependable and efficient daily use desktop computer for your home. But since the TC885 uses integrated graphics, it is not a gaming PC, and you can only expect to play basic 3D games at best. If you are looking for a top-of-the-line gaming desktop, check out the Omen Obelisk coming up later. However, with that said, if you're wanting a basic budget computer for general computing tasks such as batch photo editing and processing, multimedia enjoyment and editing large spreadsheets, then the Acer Aspire is perfectly well suited. The TC885 is a meat and potatoes build with a very respectable Intel i5 core and 12 GB of RAM, which is more than enough to handle most desktop applications and photo editing software like Adobe Creative Suite and Microsoft applications. Plus, you also get a 512 GB solid-state hard drive, which is a real value-added bonus at this price point. The solid-state hard drive will shorten your boot-up times to mere seconds. From a looks-wise perspective, the design is very clean, polished, and features some aesthetically pleasing grooves that gives the Acer Aspire a very streamlined and executive look and feel. The Acer Aspire TC885 is all about sensible hardware that is made for a general daily use machine to check email, surf the web, stream movies, and do a little work at the same time. For the price, the 12 GB of RAM and the 512 GB solid-state hard drive is enough to make this desktop one of the best budget options on the market. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eyes in the comments below. Now we'll be looking at the Apple iMac 27-inch, our choice for best desktop computer for creative professionals. The latest Apple iMac 27-inch is one of the most powerful all-in-one desktop computers you'll see on the market today, and at under $2,300, it's a perfect choice for creative professionals. iMacs have been improving with each model. The latest boasts the much-talked-about 5K Retina display, and yes, it is truly stunning, with 1 billion colors and 500 nits of brightness with real-world color with more balance and precision. Retina display also gives superb color gamut coverage and accuracy that beats most PCs aimed at creatives for black levels, sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI P3. If you do casual work on your PC, these may not mean much, but if you're a designer or photographer, you'll definitely appreciate the high-end specs as part of your creative tools. Everything about the iMac is designed to be faster and more efficient so your creative workflow isn't hindered by spinning cursors while you wait for a filter or edit to happen. The lightning-fast 6-core Intel Core i5 processor, combined with the Mac OS's excellent memory management for multitasking, you can easily jump from Photoshop to Illustrator to InDesign without missing a beat for maximum productivity. The 27-inch iMac comes with a massive 2TB Fusion drive, which is going to come in handy when you work in HD, 2K, or even 4K video or RAW format photos. The two Thunderbolt 3 ports let you connect high-end peripherals like RAID drives or even Blackmagic cameras with blazing fast transfer speeds way beyond USB connections. For the creative professional, the iMac 27-inch is a graphics studio, photography darkroom, and a full-fledged video and sound production studio all packed into one amazing desktop computer. When they call it an all-in-one, they really mean all-in-one. It meets the heavy demands of just about every creative discipline. The last product we're looking at today is our choice for the best desktop computer for gaming, the HP Omen Obelisk. For serious AAA gamers, the $1,700 HP Omen Obelisk is not only one of the best gaming rigs available, it's also easily upgradable, making it completely future-proof, so you'll always have a high-performance machine for all the new titles yet to come. Pre-builds get a bad reputation for being substandard builds, and while some are, the HP Omen Obelisk just isn't one of them. This compact gaming rig sports an Intel Core i7-9600K processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super 8GB graphics card. If Fortnite, Overwatch, and PUBG games are your staple, then the Omen's powerful ultra-fast processor will have no problem handling your demanding titles. It's more than ready to play games in 1440p at high refresh rates, and can even achieve 60 frames per second in 4K gaming. The Omen delivers hyper-realistic graphics and allows you to experience new levels of gaming realism, speed, and immersion with real-time ray tracing technologies. You can even scale up your gaming and make it more immersive by adding a second or third screen thanks to the Omen's triple display support. The HP Omen Obelisk design keeps it simple, but with just enough pizzazz to avoid being boring. It's a compact gaming desktop that is narrow and not very deep, with a relatively small footprint. A full-length tempered glass window makes up the left panel, through which you can see the LED illumination inside. You can also use the HP Omen Command Center to customize RGB lighting and to prioritize gaming network traffic. The Omen also comes VR ready and supports VR components such as a VR headset, making this rig future-proof. Another feature to highlight is the Omen Game Stream, which comes in handy when streaming gameplay to a large screen. If you can afford it, the HP Omen Obelisk is one of the best gaming PCs on the market in its class. Besides being easy to upgrade, the Omen Obelisk also delivers exceptional seamless lag-free performance, is future-proof, and also power-efficient. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.